Car camping gives you the traditional camping experience with the comfort of a car. And everything you need for camping can fit inside your ride, but you obviously cannot carry much. For this reason, car camping gadgets need to be compact and functional. That brings us to today's video of amazing car camping gadgets and accessories. The purchase links and the updated price are linked in the video description for your convenience. Let us get right into it.
Car camping can be a game of space management, and one of the toughest challenges is turning the back seat into a comfortable sleeping area. That's where the backseat Bivvy can help. This gadget bridges the gap between the front and rear folded seats, adding up to 18 inches of extra sleeping space. That extra room can make all the difference when you're trying to stretch out and get a good night's sleep. Also, the Bivvy doesn't just give you more space. It also lets you store gear between the seats, which is super handy when you're packing for a trip. Moreover, it's compact enough to stash in your glove compartment when not in use, making it perfect for spontaneous road trips or last-minute camping adventures. Setup is quick and easy, even in less than ideal conditions. Just unfold it, place it in position, and you're ready to go. Add in your sleeping bag or mattress, and you've got a cozy, comfortable sleeping area right in your vehicle. Maintaining hygiene can be a real challenge while car camping. This is where the Nemo Helio Pressure Shower series comes in. Unlike typical gravity-fed showers, the Helio delivers pressurized water through a few foot pumps, giving you a much more efficient and satisfying shower experience. It's available in two sizes, the larger Helio LX with 5.8 gallons and up to 10 minutes of pressure, and the more compact 3-gallon version, which still provides a solid 7 minutes of pressure. The best part? You don't have to worry about cold water. The Helio's bladder absorbs sunlight, gradually warming the water for a comfortable shower. Or, if you prefer, you can fill it directly with hot water for a bit of luxury in the wild. It's easy to fill and set up, making it ideal for any car camping setup. With durable construction, hands-free showering capabilities on the LX, and a handy storage sack, the Helio is built for adventure. Staying powered up is a must even while camping. Charging devices, powering lights, running small appliances, or any camping power needs can be fulfilled with the Ecoflow River 2. This portable power station is compact and lightweight, making it easy to stash in your vehicle without taking up much space. Despite its size, it packs a punch, delivering enough power to run everything from your smartphone to a laptop or even a mini fridge. Additionally, the River 2 is versatile. You can recharge it in multiple ways, plug it into a wall outlet before heading out, use your car charger while you're on the road, or even connect it to solar panels to recharge. Durability is another plus. The River 2 can handle bumps, drops, and the general wear and tear of outdoor life. With different models available in the series, you can pick the one that fits your power needs, making it perfect for car campers who want reliable, portable power. Be it car camping or any outdoor activities in general, keeping your gear dry and organized can be a hassle, especially if you're dealing with unpredictable weather. The Evac Compression Dry Bag makes gear storage easy. This versatile bag is designed to keep your belongings safe from water, while also saving space in your setup. The unique air-permeable, waterproof fabric allows you to compress the bag by pushing out excess air, giving you up to 2/3 more space. The compression system of the bag uses 4 adjustable straps. It lets you tighten things down, making it ideal for storing bulky items like sleeping bags or clothes. It's made from durable, recycled 70D nylon with a non-PFC DWR finish, strong enough to last through all your adventures. Lastly, the roll top closure is watertight, thanks to the Phi repair buckle, ensuring your gear stays protected, no matter where your car camping journey takes you. A hammock is easy to set up and offers great comfort outdoors. And if you are looking for a solid hammock with a lot of useful features, the Duo 2-person double camping hammock is a great pick. Tensile says it is the world's largest and toughest hammock. Duo 2 is great for couples or young families. The 3-point anchor design prevents it from sagging like the traditional models. Its most advertised feature is the built-in lay-flat anti-roll strap system. The anti-roll strap system prevents people from rolling into each other and creates 2 separate sleeping compartments for 2 people. Furthermore, it has 2 storage compartments for your basic storage needs. The tail, and additional underfloor storage. Another great feature is the body contouring breathable fabric, or mesh floor, to ensure good ventilation. Lastly, Duo 2 has a capacity of 800 pounds or 400 kilograms, which ensures that 2 people and baggage stay safe. During camping, running out of drinking water is one of the worst-case scenarios. Lack of clean drinking water can cause fatigue, dizziness, dehydration, etc. On the other hand, carrying drinking water for a long outing is not feasible. The solution to all these problems can be LifeStraw. It is a gadget that can make any water body a drinking water source. You can drink from streams, rivers, and lakes with LifeStraw. It gives protection from bacteria, parasites, cloudiness, microplastic, silt, and sand. The straw is lightweight, durable, and has an unlimited shelf life, so you can leave it and pick it up whenever you need it for camping. It is also highly versatile. It can be used as an attachment with most water bottles and standard gravity hoses. LifeStraw has a long-lasting membrane microfilter that can purify 4,000 liters or 1,000 gallons of water. The amount that is enough for a person for 5 years. Food is an important part of camping outdoors. Cooking in campsites and having a feast is one of the fondest memories of any camper. However, it can be quite tricky to cook in a campfire. For this reason, people nowadays carry camping stoves with them, and the Jetboil Stash is one of the top picks among campers. Jetboil Stash weighs just 7.1 ounces or 200 grams, which is the same weight as a pair of socks. It is a stove that is equipped with a titanium burner and falls under the fast boil category. For this reason, it can boil 2 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes. Jetboil Stash is perfect for any ready-to-eat camping meals and coffees. The stove also works with any utensils. It is easy to store and comes with folding arms. Furthermore, the compact storage system makes sure it does not rattle while inside the bag. Dying car batteries is a common occurrence, but while car camping, it can become a disaster. Being stranded with a dead car in the middle of nowhere can be quite scary, so it is always recommended to keep a battery jump starter kit for emergencies. The Type S DL30 battery jump starter kit can be a great choice. It is not just a jump starter kit, it can act as a flashlight or power bank and has an emergency hazard light or SOS mode. It is quite capable as a jump starter kit too. It works for gas engines up to 6 liters and for diesel engines 3 liters. The kit has built-in LCD jump guides and displays step-by-step instructions, so it can be operated by anyone. It also has spark-proof clams, polarity circuit protection, and IP64 water and dust resistance. All in all, the Type S DL30 battery jump starter is a smart and safe jump starter kit.
Combining the practicality of a traditional tent with innovative vehicle integration, Healthy Caboose Tent redefines car camping. This 4-person shelter offers generous headroom and a spacious vestibule that can be easily connected to your vehicle, creating a comfortable rumpus room on wheels and ensuring quick access to your gear. Setting up the Caboose is straightforward. Start by laying out the tent body and staking the corners on level ground. Then assemble the poles, ensuring each segment is securely seated. Next, insert the equal-sized poles into the quick corner fabric sleeves and clip the X poles into the tent body. With assistance, slide a long pole under the X poles, clip it into place, and secure it with grommets. After draping the rainfly over the tent, back your vehicle up to the vestibule and use straps to secure the awning over your rear wheels. The Caboose adapts easily to your needs, offering versatility for any camping adventure while providing shade or shelter from the elements. When it comes to enhancing your camping experience, the empowered Lucy solar sidelights stand out as a versatile and essential gadget. This innovative set includes 6 lights, 6 stakes, a USB-C charging cable, and a waterproof silicone band, all neatly housed in a charging case. The lights conveniently charge via a magnetic snap in the case, displaying an orange light while charging and switching to green when fully charged. The stakes fit snugly in the case, allowing you to use the lights as illuminated tent pegs, or you can hang them from cords for added flexibility. Multiple applications, these lights are perfect for illuminating campsites, pathways, and the inside of your car. They feature adjustable brightness settings with low, medium, and high modes, and their long battery life ensures that the low mode lasts up to 20 hours on a single charge. Each light covers 165 square feet, illuminating a total of 1,000 square feet with all 6 lights.
When you're out car camping, comfort and warmth are key. Whether you're sitting around the campfire or settling in for the night, a solid blanket can make all the difference. That's where the Rumple Puffy blanket comes in. It's not your average blanket. This thing is made from the same high-quality materials as sleeping bags and insulated jackets, which means it's designed to keep you warm without the bulk. The best part? It's lightweight and super packable, so it won't take up much space in your car or gear. Not only does it provide warmth, but it's also water repellent, making it ideal for unpredictable weather. Spilled some coffee or got it dirty on your trip? No problem, it's machine washable. The Rumple Puffy blanket also has this cool stitching that mimics natural flowing lines, adding a sleek, modern look to your camping setup. So whether you're curling up after a long hike or just enjoying the sunset, the Rumple Puffy blanket keeps you cozy and comfortable without the hassle of traditional, bulky blankets.
For car campers seeking the ultimate rooftop tent, the Dark Barracks delivers comfort, durability, and convenience in any weather. Built with high-grade aluminum composite panels, its hard-shell construction offers superior protection from the elements, while its airspace insulation in the walls and roof ensures temperature regulation. The honeycomb composite floor provides a solid base, and a trench structure prevents condensation, keeping the interior dry. Security is a priority too. Dark Barracks features a strong locking system and a low center of gravity for stability, even on rugged terrain. The tent also boasts safety windows made from scratch-resistant PC material. Setting it up is a breeze, taking only 30 seconds to be fully functional. With weatherproof materials, an external power supply outlet, LED sensor lights for nighttime convenience, and a plush 3-layer memory foam mattress, this rooftop tent transforms car camping into a premium, comfortable, and secure experience. The Adventure King's 200-watt folding solar blanket offers car campers a compact and efficient way to harness solar power for charging batteries and running appliances while out in nature. This updated model features a quick connect plug, making it easy to connect to various solar accessories. With a power output of 200 watts and a size comparable to a laptop, it's designed for effortless storage and transport. The blanket consists of 6 panels made from grade A monocrystalline solar cells, all encased in durable polyester fabric. Setup is a breeze. Just unfold the panels and lay them flat on the ground. A roof rack or even a windscreen. When paired with a solar regulator or DC-DC charger, the blanket can output up to 20.7 volts at 9.67 amps potentially delivering an impressive 16 amps of charge when connected to an MPPT solar regulator. Compact when folded, the blanket also features a front pocket for holding solar leads and regulators. Another rooftop tent on the list is the Odyssey rooftop tent by James Barrett. It redefines comfort and adventure with its striking design and breathtaking 360-degree views. Featuring a 3-layer blackout fabric, this tent excels in thermal and sound insulation, guaranteeing a peaceful night's sleep, while the high-density foam mattress ensures optimal comfort. Constructed for long-lasting durability, the Odyssey includes a reinforced hull, rust-resistant latches, and replaceable struts to accommodate heavier loads without compromise. Additionally, the integrated solar-powered vent fan provides essential airflow, keeping the interior fresh, and the complementary camp light enhances nighttime visibility. Whether you're journeying through extreme terrain or enjoying a serene lakeside stay, the Odyssey rooftop tent delivers an exceptional camping experience.
Carrying around your favorite beverages while camping can be a hassle. In extreme conditions like climbing and hiking, normal flasks might break or spill the content, but not with GSI Boulder Flasks. These flasks are solely designed for the extreme outdoors. The flasks are lightweight, shatter-resistant, and have a secure soft grip. The hinged cap makes sure you do not have to worry about misplacing or losing your flask cap. Boulder Flasks also come with engraved graduations. For this reason, you can always measure your beverages. They come in 3 sizes, 6, 10, and 16 ounces. So, you can choose the right-sized flask according to your needs. The manufacturer GSI Outdoors gives a lifetime warranty for all its products. The Boulder Flask is no different. If you've ever struggled with the hassles of regular rooftop tents and wasted precious camping time setting up or packing away, the Hitch Home is here to change that. We found this innovative solution eliminates those difficulties, allowing you to make the most of every second of your adventure. This detachable air tent attaches to the car hitch receiver and inflates in under 3 minutes. Just hook up the pump and let it do the work while you explore. This tent provides 22% more space than any average rooftop tent, offering a cozy, spacious retreat for up to 3 people. No more ladders, wind noise, or reduced fuel efficiency. Plus, you can still use your vehicle and sunroof. The built-in air mattress, supported by sturdy aluminum panels and adjustable legs, ensures a comfy night's sleep even on rugged terrain. Whether solo or with friends, Hitch Home's roomy interior makes every camping trip more enjoyable. Finally, an easy, convenient way to enhance outdoor adventures without the usual tent headaches.